This color in this bang is everything. Hey my beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is August Nicole. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, today is part 1 of my Color of Spring wig series. And y'all, today we are gonna be talking about this unit from Bobbi Boss. And these are the claims of this wig. She has baby hair, and she is a top quality cap, and she has a 4-inch deep lace part. And yes, this wig really does have good parting space. The lace part, I really like that. And it says it's hand knotted lace part. I don't know about hand knotted, but she does have a good parting space on her. And she's ready to wear, natural lace front, hand tie lace part, and effortless style. The effortless style, no. I mean, I really like the color. I do like the style of this wig, but as far as combing her out to detangle her, oh my gosh, y'all, it was a hot mess. I was trying to finger comb her. I was trying to comb with the brush, comb with my comb, and y'all, I just kept her like this right here because I didn't want to keep combing her, and then she kept on tangling up on me. That I do not like, so that is a con for me. And I got her in the style is M.BLU 503 Julisa, and I got her in the color TT1B M.BLU, and this is how she's looking on the stock card. And what I like about Miss Julisa, I do like the color. I really think this is a good color for spring. As y'all can see, I'm gonna give y'all up close of the color of this hair. Do y'all see it has like streaks of gray, and of course she has blue in her. It's like a dark blue, and then it's like a sky blue. Do y'all see that? That is pretty. I really like that color. So the color is a yes for me. The party space is a yes for me. As y'all can see, she has good party space. She does lay down flat. I do like that. I like that. The cap construction, it's a little bit snug on my head, but it doesn't fit real tight. I do like the length of her, and I do like the curls. I really like the curls. I do like the style of this wig. I just don't like that she tangles real bad. That part I do not like. And this is how long she is. I'm gonna put her all to the back. She goes like past down my shoulders. This is how she looking on this side. Y'all get this bang action over here. Y'all see that bang action going on? So yeah, I like that. I like the color. I like the bang. I like the style. I just don't like that she tangles. And like I said, y'all, this is part 1 of my Color of Spring wig series. So I just thought, you know, to have blue with blue, because you know, I know blue seems to be like everybody's favorite. This is a pretty color. I do like this blue. It's like a sky blue and a teal blue. So that is pretty. And y'all be looking forward to part 2. It's gonna be 4 parts to this wig series, y'all, because we are getting ready for spring over here. And I'm just giving y'all some colorful and pretty and bright ideas if you want to try them out. And the price and all that will be in the description box below. I will even link where you can buy her from if you are interested in purchasing this wig right here. I wouldn't purchase her again simply because I didn't like dealing with all that tangling. I did not like that at all because I don't have other colorful synthetic wigs before and they didn't tangle as bad as she did. So Bobbi Boss, y'all need to get better at that. I mean, I know she's part of that older unit, but still, like, come on, work with me here. Y'all gonna give us this pretty bum color. Y'all need to give us better fiber in this hair so we can be rocking her like we supposed to. But that is it for this video. Like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.